in Tagalog, like mommy.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu.
Yay! What about like Kailan, Chinese?
I, a, san, sa, u, yo, chi, ba, chio, chap.
Sure.
Cha,
Okay. Like Dora, Spanish.
uno, tres,
Dos.
dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
Wow. Oh, French.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
You forgot set. Set.
Set, no,
Wait.
wait, no, this.
Very good. Oh, Korean. Hana.
No,
Like Pororo.
no.
Oh, you don't
What
like.
a name?
Huh?
What a name?
Korean first. Like Pororo.
No.
Hana.
Narusa, nadasan, igu,
Yosot.
yasat, igu.
Yodol.
Ahub, yeah.